It's a beautiful fall morning. I was looking out and watching the leaves turning colors and falling off the trees, and thought of something. What if the drone could fly above the house and clean out the gutters? So I thought in today's video we would give that a try. A week later, we just had a big storm, and so I thought I would fly back up here and see if we can knock some leaves out. I think it's a very valid way of cleaning out the gutters. How fun is that? It doesn't like me getting too close here. Alright, let's go right above us and see what we can get out of these gutters. As long as it's not wet in the gutter, I think it's a valid option. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.